In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off portrait mode on a photo on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. To find all the photos that were taken in the portrait mode, head over to Albums, scroll down until you find Portrait. That is auto-generated album which contains all the photos in portrait mode. When portrait mode is activated, the main object or objects remain sharp and the background objects are blurred. As you can see, now the background is blurred. That's because portrait mode is activated, and now let me show you how we can easily turn it off. All you have to do, guys, is just stop right here where it says portrait and then portrait off. After a couple of seconds, if we zoom in, we'll be able to see that now the background objects are also sharp. So guys, in any time we are able to turn on or off portrait mode in the same way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.